Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About secant of s squared, we can change into 1 over cosine s squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to cosine s. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and we got about negative sine s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative go to the left, and we got about negative du equals to sine s ds. So this one we change by u, and you got about u square. Sine s ds we change by negative du. The integration of negative 1 over u square, you got about 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that is about cosine s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.